What's up? It's been a minute since I uploaded. Got a dash I'm working on for a 96 Impala. It's the week before Christmas. Merry Christmas. Last video I was showing my little personal truck. I was working on some body work, odds and end pieces for the interior. Get cold outside, so I put it on hold. Plus I had some customers I wanted to get to, catch them up. Still waiting on some of them. It's all good though. So common problem with this is not a 96 Impala, it's a 94 or 5. Does have the shifter on the column, cup holders in the console. Anyways, it's cracked, so that forces me to wrap it. I'm not going to paint it. I'll fill the cracks, fiberglass, and cover it, original color. And it's getting the double din kit. I already cut the center out and glued this in, epoxied it. Still got to paint the gray, freshen it up. It's got some rough areas. Probably looks better on video, but yeah. Freshen that up too. Went ahead and painted, here's what they'll look like freshened up. The sim paint. These pieces had the green tint to them. Went ahead and painted those. That way everything can look nice and clean up front. Got a couple other vehicles to get to and show you. It's 65 Riviera console. Had a big hole. Fiberglass that and fixed it. I'll come back and show that and some parts from my little truck in the next video or two. Go out here and show you the vehicle. Impala. Had this one through a couple times. Did a carpet on it years ago and did a headliner on it last time I saw it. I could have swore I unlocked it. I only hit it once, I unlocked the driver's door. Already got, of course, I got everything out. I'll Windex the inside of the window with this removed and clean all the funk out from behind here. Wipe it down. Let's see, he's had the digital dash since we saw it last time. Got my wiring finished here with the radio mount installed. Everything cut. There's a bar, plastic bar you have to cut away from the original dash plastic. It's got the darker gray suede headliner and visors. Of course, I popped some LED bulbs in there for him. Gotta do something with his door panels next. I think I have one of his door panels around here. Go ahead and clean all this up when I get done with the dash. Give him a nice detail. Changing floor mats, a different color stands out like a sore thumb. It's the first thing you notice on that interior when you open the door. There. That looks much cleaner. Put the same color floor mats, or some black rubber floor mats or something. Hell, these are disintegrating anyways. Making a mess. Get you some floor mats for Christmas, man. Alright, there it is. I'll come back in a few days, hopefully before Christmas or right around that time with the finished dash. Radio installed. Thanks for watching. Peace. God bless you.